Manchester Magnet men back out in the canal, guys, alongside of Patriot Magnets. They've come along today.
Finally got a collab.
But yeah, we're back over in the canal, over near Manchester city centre. So let's see what today brings, and more goodies.
Stay tuned.
Right, come on guys, I've not got this forever.
You have to hold it there in a minute.
Yeah, that's fine, I've got it for now.
Got it. Right, yeah, double rope.
Yeah, I'm going to see. Double ropes.
Right, nice opening this, yeah.
Yeah, right.
Right, come on, 1, 2, 3. There we are. We're getting out of it now. One, two, three.
Got it.
1, 2, 3. Come on. Come on, Bobby. Come on. Oh, great, good. There we are. Listen it. We've done it.
Come on, lads. Oh, come on. Now.
Hey, cheers for coming.
Suzuki intruder.
Oh, man.
That's what that is. Nice one, matey. Much appreciated. That's a Suzuki Intruder 125 converted into a chopper.
No.
Yeah.
YouTube channel, it's a Patriot Magnet.
Yeah.
Watch out, let's get it on properly.
That's a guy just stopped by and give us a hand. Thanks, mate. Cheers for that.
That's one way of.
Wow, guys. Look at this. Now look at that chopper. That is a beast.
Suzuki 125 Intruder been converted into a chopper. That's what that is.
Now look at that.
Fashion bikes. Yeah. That's what you do. I know.
Look at that.
You cut the frame, and you cut the bike seat and put a single bike seat on it.
Wicked. We've just pulled out this chopper here. The lads and a passerby, he's jumps on the rope for us and give us a help out. As you can see, try getting out as fast as we can because of all the fuel on the water, all the oil. But there's something else in here that we're not moving from, so we're going to be getting on this as well. So this is turning out to be a mint video, isn't it, guys?
Yeah.
Up to now, good find. We've been lashed onto this. That's 2 bikes we've found now.
5 of us.
Yeah, 5 of us. Don't worry, guys. That there coming out is only water. We've smelt it and it's not fuel, so happy days. Jason just pulled out that. You've been a right model there, aren't you, Scotty?
Yeah.
Hey, that's it.
We'll put it there so no one can touch it.
Yeah, happy days. So it's turned out to be a good day. We believe there's another one here as well. So that's going to be 2 bikes on this video. Hey, that's going to be a good one, that. Craig's got his injuries here. Look at that rope burn right round his back. Got all the oil there.
Fit for the bike though.
Yeah, at least we've got the oil and all that. Not all of it's gone in the water, so that's the best thing about it. But contaminated it a little bit, but at least we cleaned it out.
Got another one here. We're only just on this as well.
Watch that grapple hook, it's going to slide off any second, Jason.
Get it on, right, go on, move your hand.
Surely someone's going to hurt. Watch out, Dick. He's going to rip the tendons out, mate.
Yeah, I've got it.
Get me a rope on that.
I've got it. I've got the weight. Yeah!
Come on! Come on!
Well done,
lad. Well done. Well done, boys.
Come on, lad.
Happy fucking days.
Second bike.
Oh, we've lost the registration though.
Oh.
Need a plate was on it.
Second bike, guys. What's that, lads? Hey?
Two.
Woo! Getting chased by a wasp here at the same time. Look at that. Mate.
Another one for the strap.
Go on, boys.
Right, let's stand it up.
Happy days. Get that near the grass. Second one. I'm going to go for the next one. Hopefully. Let's have a look. Look at that exhaust. Beast. Look at that exhaust.
Got a sweat exhaust on it.
Wicked. Here's the next one.
This is where they end up.
Got a right collection of bikes here. Craig, get that little pink one over there as well, at the side of it here.
Exhaust on that.
Hey? That is smart.
Yeah.
Happy days. Craig bringing another beauty over.
The big boy.
The big boy there. Look at that. So, we've just pulled out the third motorbike Jason just got leashed off. Little crosser.
Yeah, don't do it.
That looks only small, that, doesn't it, really?
Between a 75 and a 125
Yeah, it's a little 125 that I think.
Yeah, it's a front
Yeah.
bike.
Yeah, it'd be a 125 that.
See if it starts.
No compression at all.
We've got what's your name, mate?
James.
James. We've got James who's helped us out with two of the bikes. Oh, what's he got here? No. Dropped it. He's helped us out on two of the bikes. Look at that collection now. Hey, chopper, scooter, and this.
I'll put it next to it.
We've got a electric scooter there. We've got two motorbikes. Oh, three motorbikes there. So yeah,
There we go.
what a day this has been, eh?
It has.
Scotty, the boys, this man here is a legend. Just give us a hand, like I said. Carry on. Hey! Hey, he's the man. We've got another bike here. We're struggling to get out. So, rain or shine. Hey, got that one in. Rain or shine, we're out. Aren't we, Jay?
We're out.
We're out. Oh, yes. Bring it on. We're got our eye cast on this another bike down here, I think, aren't we, boys?
I think so, boys.
We're battling the weather. Gale force winds. We're getting blown everywhere here, aren't we, boys?
Yep.
Everyone's getting tired now, but we're going to try and get this out. Pile over there waiting for the scrap man. All the bikes and that. See how it goes. Jason just pulled out of the grapple hook. Baby trolley. Hope the baby wasn't in there like he just said. Put a street lock. Jason has had enough now. And you, Jay?
Yeah.
What are you going to do, mate?
I'm going to go down the ladder so I can try and get the grapple up like on the same line kind of thing. Try and get it attacked.
Right, be careful though, mate. Let's see what he does. He's going down, he is.
Down the hook. Yeah, get the very end of the line. Yeah. Right, I've got
Sorry,
it.
Scotty. Yeah, he's going for it, mate. This is things you got to do. There's more motorbikes here. You got it. Can you see it? Hey! Bottle on his grapple hook. Yeah, A1 maintenance on. Where that is. Are you on it there, Jay? So yeah, turn out we're emptied the canal, the little lock here. The canal river truss has come to empty it. They've opened a lock down there. Gonna hopefully we're gonna try and open that lock, drag it through there, and get in hopefully down there, and we'll be able to get it out. So they said that when it drains, it's gonna go to waist height. So that might be ideal for us. You never know. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if we can see what it is. Craig's just got a bag out.
Just a brick.
Is it a brick?
Yeah.
Something's getting weighed down there though, mate, in the bag. Why would you put a brick in a bag?
Brick in a bag?
Yeah, a brick in a bag. Yeah, definitely.
There's nothing in that for now.
Definitely, it's like a paving block, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Makes you
In
wonder
a
what's
JD
in
bag.
there.
That is a bit strange, that.
We ended up.
So we'll
JD Sports selling these days.
yeah, bricks. Hopefully we get some more stuff. Jason has just pulled out another little bike frame. Scotty's got some here. Let's have a look.
What treat have we got on the angle here? Should have been a barn, won't it? Oh yeah.
Scaffolding pole. Another motorbike we've found. Well, Jason's just got it with a grapple up there. So what, we're having a right day here, aren't we? Hey?
The bike graveyard.
Bike graveyard. Oh, that's what happened to the other one. Yeah, there's your wheel. See if it'll...
Where is it? Down here in left?
Oh, oh.
Literally, mate, Craig.
We think we've found... Jason's pulled out this bike. That was right under all the mud there. They've got a grapple hook. But best thing about this, it opens up underneath it, doesn't it?
Straight over your...
I'll get that moved, washed off and moved. Okay, do you want to get a bucket on that and just rinse the mud off it a little bit? Happy days. So we're not traipsing it all over the... that black one's probably empty now. We've got a pair of Dre Beats. Wonder if they still work. Happy days. A few other bits. Bit of bar. It's like a parking meter, cash box, whatever it is. It says there.
Grappling hooks, big magnets.
Oh, aye. That's it.
Oh, you're doing a good job.
Yeah. Cheers, mate.
Appreciate it. Take care, bud.
Scotty over there, finalising off for today now. We'll probably have a little bit longer, call it a day. It's been a cracker of a day here today. A lot more to come.